You need some help installing Blue Devil products? I got you covered. Let's go. Welcome back to the Blue Devil Products Garage. Today, something really simple, really easy, but it makes a huge difference. It's Blue Devil Complete Fuel System Cleaner. Now, it's real simple to install, and it helps maintain your engine's peak performance. Now, Blue Devil comes packaged with an easy-to-attach funnel. Check this out right here. All right, now that makes adding the product really simple, really easy. And for best results, your fuel tank should be less than half full. Now, first, you simply remove the cap, right? Next, it's got a little safety seal, take that out. Attach the funnel to the open container and pour the entire contents of the bottle into your fuel tank. And finally, you just go for a drive. Yeah, that's it. You should drive your vehicle at least 15 to 20 miles or so before refueling. And for peak performance, add Blue Devil Complete Fuel System Cleaner every 3,000 miles. Drive your life and live leak-free. We'll see you next time in the Blue Devil Products Garage. If you have more specific questions regarding this installation or any installation, contact the Blue Devil Products Tech Team at 1-888-863-0426 or online at gobdp.com.